हाय ऑल ऑफ यू, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक इन मैथ्स। मैंने विश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन JEE 2023 का क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ। सो हियर वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन 15 अप्रैल 2023 शिफ्ट 1 का ये क्वेश्चन है। सो डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का क्वेश्चन है। सो इंटीग्रेशन में क्या है, आई जो है इंटीग्रेशन वो लिमिट क्या है 0 to 1 है। 1 बाई क्या है हमारा यहाँ पे पहला वे फैक्टर जो है दैट इज़ 5 + 2x माइनस वॉट 2x स्क्वायर एंड ये वाला फैक्टर क्या है 1 + e⁻² 2 - 4x dx. So just I assume this as first. Now I will apply here to solve this question definite integration का property that is 0 to a integration fx dx. क्या होता है प्रॉपर्टी ये होता है 0 to a f a x को मैं किससे रिप्लेस करूँगा a - x, राइट, a - x dx. So this property I will apply here. So integration I जो है इंटीग्रेशन आई वो उसे मैं क्या लिखूँगा 0 to 1, लिमिट तो 0 to 1 है. सो दिस इज व्हाट dx बाय ये क्या हो गया हमारा 5 प्लस है, राइट. सो 5 प्लस क्या है हमारा 5 + 2x. सो 2x की वैल्यू क्या हो गया 2x की वैल्यू हो गया 1 - x से रिप्लेस करूँगा मैं, राइट. फिर देन क्या है -2 1 - x का क्या हो गया होल स्क्वायर एंड अदर फैक्टर में क्या है 1 + e⁻² 2 - 4x. सो 2 - 4x की जगह पे क्या 1 - x, राइट. सो सिंप्लीफाई करता हूँ इसको. सो दिस इज व्हाट 0 to 1 ये क्या हो गया dx डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट डिवाइडेड बाय ये हो गया हमारा, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करूँ. सो दिस इज व्हाट 5 + 2 - 2x, राइट. इसे मैं एक्सपैंड करता हूँ. सो व्हेन आई एक्सपैंड दिस 1 + x² - 2x, राइट, a - b हो द होल स्क्वायर. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करता हूँ. सो दिस इज व्हाट 1 + e⁻² क्या हो गया 2 - 4x प्लस व्हाट 2 - 4 right plus 4x, right. So now this is what 0 to 1 dx, right, divided by. अब मैं ब्रैकेट अगर ओपन करूँगा तो ये -2 एंड +2 ये कैंसिल आउट हो गया, राइट. और ये हो जाएगा क्या -4x. सो आई राइट दिस एज 5 - 2x and this is +4x, so that is what 2x and -2x square, right, -2x square. And this result is what 1 + e⁻² क्या हो गया ये हो गया हमारा -2 + 4x, राइट. नाउ व्हाट आई कैन राइट दिस इज एज आई इंटीग्रेशन इक्वल टू क्या हो गया 0 to 1 dx बाय फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट जो फर्स्ट हमारा फैक्टर है दैट इज सेम 5 + 2x - 2x स्क्वायर, राइट, 2x स्क्वायर. और दूसरा वाला जो है वो क्या हो गया 1 +. सो मैं इसे इस तरह लिखता हूँ 1/e⁻². सो ये हो जाएगा 2 - 4x, राइट. ये 1/e⁻² 2 - 4x. So I will take the LCM here, right. After taking LCM, so 1 plus ये जो वैल्यू है e⁻, ये हमारा न्यूमरेटर पार्ट में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा e⁻² 2 - 4x, राइट, dx. एंड डिनोमिनेटर में हमारा ये वाला फैक्टर एज इट इज़ 5 + 2x - 2x स्क्वायर. एंड ये दूसरा फैक्टर जो LCM लेने के बाद LCM क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे e⁻² - 4x + 1, राइट, +1. Now what I will do here is I just assume this is second, right. Now I will add the first and second. फर्स्ट और सेकेंड को ऐड करता हूँ तो 2i आई गेट द 2i. दोनों का इंटीग्रेशन लिमिट सेम है 0 to 1. फर्स्ट वाले पार्ट में न्यूमरेटर पार्ट 1 है प्लस e⁻² क्या होगा 2 - 4x. डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट का जो LCM है दैट इज सेम बेसिकली 5 + 2x - 2x square, right, 2x square. And this is what 1 + e⁻² 2 - 4x, ओके, dx. सो ये वाला फैक्टर जो है 1 + e⁻² 2 - 4x ये फैक्टर हमारा क्या हो गया कैंसिल आउट हो गया. सो फ्रॉम हेयर वी गेट आई, राइट, आई हमें आई यहाँ से क्या मिल जाएगा आई जो है वो हो जाएगा 1/2 एंड इंटीग्रेशन लिमिट क्या 0 to 1 और dx बाय बेसिकली वी गेट हियर द 5 + 2x - 2x square, right. So we get this one. So what I will do here is 0 to 1 dx. Now I will take my 2 common here. So this is what this is 5/2 plus x minus x square, right, minus x square. So this becomes what 1/4 0 to 1 limit dx by I write here that 5/2 this is 5/2. I take here the minus common, so this is x square minus x square minus x. Now I can write this as 1/4 integration limit 0 to 1 dx by what dx by here 5/2, okay, 5/2. This I can write x square minus x, so I will write this as perfect square as x minus 1/2 the whole square. So here I have to add the 1 by 4, right? We have to add here 1 by 4. Okay, now this becomes what? 1 by 4. So I integration here is 1 by 4. I write here 1 by 4. Integration limit is 0 to 1 dx. So 5 by 2 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This becomes what? 11 by 4. So I write here the 11 by 4, right? Minus what? X minus 1 by 2 the whole square. इवन 11 by 4 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 11 by 4 को हमने क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? रूट 11 by 2 the whole square minus what? X minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Now I will apply the formula here, integration formula, that is dx by a square minus x square. What is the formula? 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x, right, plus c. So this is the formula that we will apply here. So 1 by 4 here, right? 1 by 2a, so I write 1 by 2a. A is what? Root 11 by 2. And so integration is what? A plus x. So a is your root 11 by 2 plus x. So x is what? X minus 1 by 2 and divided by what? A minus x. So root 11 by 2 minus what? X minus 1 by 2. Okay, fine. And what is the limit? Limit is 0 to 1. So I write here 0 to 1. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So what do we get here? Basically I equal to, so integration I equal to 1 by 4 root 11, right? We get here the 1 by 4 root 11, right? 1 by 4 root 11, and we will apply here. So for just first simplify this basically. So this is what? Log, right? Log, what we can write here is, हम क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको? This is 11 root 11 plus 2x minus 1, right? Root 11 plus 2x, I can write this as root 11 plus 2x minus 1. Have here the root 11 plus 2x minus 1, root 11 plus 2x minus 1 divided by what? Root 2. So that will be cancelled basically by 2. So in denominator we have here the root 11 minus 2x plus 1, okay, and the limit is what? 0 to 1. So now we will apply here 1 by 4 root 11. So the upper limit we will apply here. So this is what? Log, यहाँ पे apply करता हूँ 1. So this is what? Root 11 plus 1 divided by what? Root 11 minus 1. Okay, so upper limit minus what? Lower limit. तो lower limit apply करने पे ये क्या बनेगा? Root 11 minus 1 divided by root 11 plus 1, right? So now we'll simplify this. 4 root 11, right? 4 root 11. So log m minus log n. So when we apply this, so this is log m by n. So this value will multiply this, right? So we can write this as root 11 plus 1 divided by root 11 minus 1. This whole square, right? Divided by this whole square. Okay, this whole square. Fine. So this is complete power 2. So we can apply here log m to the power n. So basically n log m we can apply here. So this will be what here? 1 by 4 root 11. This is 2 log what? Root 11 plus 1 divided by root 11 minus 1, right? Root 11 minus 1. Now we'll apply, rationalize the denominator part. So this is what? 1 by even this is 2 is 4 is cancelled here, right? 4 is cancelled by this 2, right? So we have here the I integration as 1 by 2 root 11. So 2 root 11. Now we'll rationalize this part. So what we have here? The root 11 plus 1 divided by root 11 minus 1. So rationalizing the denominator. So root 11 plus 1 divided by root 11 plus 1, right? So this becomes what? 1 by 2 root 11. So this is what? Root 11 plus 1 the whole square. And this is what? A minus b. So 11 minus 1. So this is 10 basically. 1 by 2 root 11. This is now what here is root 11 plus 1. This is 10. So we can write this as root 10 and the whole square, right? Whole square. Okay, now again log m to the power n formula will apply. So 2 root 11, this is 2. Now we have here what? Root 11 plus 1 divided by root 10, right? 2 and 2 get cancelled. So what we get here? We get finally the I integration as 1 by root 11 and log what? Root 11 plus 1 divided by root 10. Okay, So we get this one. So basically this is given as 1 by alpha log alpha plus 1 divided by beta, right? So this is the result we have given in the question. This integration, whole integration is equal to here the 1 by alpha log alpha plus 1 by beta, alpha plus 1 by beta. So we can compare this and we can get alpha and beta. So on comparing this, we get alpha as root 11 and beta is root 10. So we get alpha and beta, right? We are asked to find what? We are asked to find the alpha to the power 4 and beta to the power 4. So alpha to the power 4 and beta to the power 4 we will find here. So alpha to the power 4 minus beta to the power 4. So root 11 to the power 4 minus root 10 to the power 4. So basically this is what? Root 11 to the power 4 is basically 121, right? And this is what? 100. Okay. So we get here the difference as 21. If we see the option, yes, we have the correct option as option 4 is the correct option, right? 21. Hope you will be clear with the solution. I will come with the new sets of question in the solution. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel so that I can upload more videos. Bye bye. Take care.